Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague, ToyotaJeff as they call me, in Raleigh, North Carolina at Fred Anderson Toyota. I'm your complete car buying resource. Today I've got a very interesting truck battle, the Tacoma TRD Sport or the SR5 Tacoma. This is a very common question that truck shoppers have. Do I go with the SR5 or do I upgrade to one of the Tacoma TRDs? The TRD Sport, the TRD Off-Road, the TRD Pro. Yo, it's a tough choice. So I'm going to show you some benefits of each of them, kind of compare and contrast so you can pick the best one for you and your family. Remember, write down in the comments section which one you like best and why. Tacoma is one of the toughest, most reliable trucks on the planet. They're smooth, quiet, comfortable, and they can handle a tough workload. But the question is, which one to go with? So we'll take a look at the SR5 first. This is in that beautiful quicksand color. What do you guys think of this? The SR5 comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. They're silver alloys. This does not have turn signal indicator on it, nor does it have blind spot monitor on it. It has a traditional key, so you hit the keyless entry, lock, unlock, etc., etc. I'll show you a difference on the Sport model in just a minute. The fuel tank, it's a 21.1 gallons. Almost sounds like Doc Brown and Back to the Future. 1.21 gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts! Marty! Or something like that. But anyway, the fuel tank size, 21.1 gallons. The TRD Sport's gonna be a little bit different. It's jazzed up, it's sported out, it's pimped out. The number one rule of reviewing cars is, on camera, never review a black vehicle. I've never understood that. I think it's gorgeous and it should be shown off. So it has the Sport lettering here. It has 17-inch open country tires. Now this has a smart key push button start, but the auto open is just on the driver's side. You'll see a change to that in the 2020 Tacoma where it's going to be on both the front doors as well. It has the turn signal indicator right here, no blind spot monitor. What do you guys think from the side profile? Do you like the Sport or the SR5 better? Whenever I do car reviews and the engines are running, it's really hard to hear the audio from me, but it's important to show you the lights on these things. The main difference is the Sport model is going to have LED daytime running lights. You can see that right along here, whereas the SR5 does not. They both have projector beam headlights, traditional fog lights. I want to show you up close though. Now look at the grille. Horizontal slats on SR5 and then more of a honeycomb grille on the Sport. Again, it's just kind of jazzed up a little bit. They both have Toyota safety sense, so they have pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and then they also have automatic high beams as well. Now, notice on the Sport, it's gonna have that hood scoop. That's symbolic of the Sport model. You'll notice it from 100 yards away. Woo-hoo-hoo! Here's a close-up view of the SR5. See if we can swivel this. And then here's a close-up view of the TRD Sport. Notice the LED daytime running light strips and then also the hood scoop. Now a couple configuration differences and powertrain differences here. The SR5 comes in an access cab and a double cab, so does the TRD Sport. You can get the SR5 in a 6-speed automatic transmission only, no manual, and it comes in either a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder engine or a 3.5 liter V6 engine that delivers 278 horsepower. And then with the TRD Sport, you can get this in a 6-speed automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission. This is only available in the 3.5 liter V6 engine, and also it has a sport tuned suspension, so you'll feel the road and the bumps and the bounces. You feel more one with the road in the TRD Sport. And a couple differences looking around the back here. This is the TRD Sport, of course. It has a color keyed rear bumper, has the hitch and wiring harness, backup camera right here, has a composite rear bed liner, and it also has power to the back here, just like that. You'll not find that in the SR5. It has a pocket here for storage. In the 18 model, it used to be on the left side too. It's not there anymore. And it also has bed rails which you can put cleats in, and that way you can tie things down, bungee them, strap them down. Now let's look over at the SR5, baby. Love that quicksand color. I'll bet that hides dirt tremendously. This one has a chrome bumper. Now this one has the technology package, which is the sonar and the navigation upgrade. So you will see parking sonar on the back of this, but only because it's been upgraded. So color keyed rear bumper versus chrome rear bumper. The interiors are going to be relatively equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to point out some differences here. This is with the seats all the way back, but you can see good amount of headroom in here. Let's pop up in here. Sorry about the jostling of the camera. SR5. This has Entune Audio Plus in it, so it's going to have satellite radio, HD radio. It's also going to have the 6.1-inch screen. Traditionally, it's upgraded to the 7-inch because it has the navigation upgrade in it. This one has the traditional key. You'll see the TRD Sport is different, and it does not have the Qi wireless charging on here. Very comfortable, very durable, cloth seating. Does not have a power driver's seat. We'll see that rectified in the 2020 Tacoma. Leather wrap steering wheel here. 4.2-inch multi-information display that gives you information about your car. I love the digital speed and how far till you run out of gasoline. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Place for sunglasses. And we do kind of got to know if these are lighted mirrors or not. Whoa, they are. These each have 3 different USB ports in them. You'll see that in the TRD Sport as well. And then this right here, the back glass, power. Great truck. And then TRD Sport has sport cloth seating in it. Gonna hop on up here. Same configuration as the SR5. And actually you'll notice, I'm hopping around here, but you'll see we've added 2 more USB ports in the back for people to charge as they wish. This one has the Entune Premium Audio with navigation system built into it, so it's a 7-inch screen. You can give it voice commands, find nearby Italian restaurant, what's the weather like, all that kind of stuff. Call Jeff Teague, don't call me. TRD Sport has the leather wrapped steering wheel, 4.2-inch multi-information display. Again, it has the upgraded navigation system. Here's the wireless charging pad, and then whoop, where is it? Get over there. There we go. The push button start right here. That's different from the traditional key in the SR5. Sounds like Hans Gruber from Die Hard. I give you the FBI. Wish I could do his accent. That would be so cool. If you all want to see magic, go see where a Toyota is made. I went to the factory in San Antonio, the truck plant, and then also the Camry and Lexus plant in Georgetown, Kentucky. That thing is amazing. You just wouldn't even believe the technology that goes on there. It is incredible. It's its own city. This one here, a couple differences. The SR5 I picked out was a 2-wheel drive. This is a 4-wheel drive, so pricing's gonna be a little off. Midnight black metallic, great safety ratings. The fuel mileage on this 4x4 is 18 city, 22 highway, combined 20. Then we've got standard features over here because it's a TRD Sport. No extra options added at the factory, but there were options added at the regional assembly point. So this one's gonna be about $39,660. There's no about, it's $39,660. We have a winner. Now, since I have a 2-wheel drive SR5 and a 4-wheel drive TRD Sport, the delta between SR5 and Sport is gonna seem a little bit bigger than what it actually is. The gap closes up quite a bit when you go with the 4-wheel drive. They're much closer in price. So the gas mileage on a 2-wheel drive is 19 in the city, 24 in the highway, combined to 21. Standard equipment on the left. This one, like I told you, is gonna have parking sonar and navigation package on it. So see what that adds. The rear parking sonar and the premium audio. Some options added at the regional assembly point. And then this one is gonna be $35,166. Thank you all so much for watching. Which one do you prefer, SR5 or the TRD Sport. Maybe you like the off-road TRD Pro. Write that down. What do you think of quicksand or the black color? Whoa! Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe right now. Hit subscribe and then hit that notification bell. You get alerted whenever I come out with videos. Check out my stories on torquenews.com/Toyota. I'm a good writer. You'll see. You'll like my Toyota news, reviews, and how-tos. Follow me on Instagram, ToyotaJeff1, and Facebook, ToyotaJeff in Raleigh. Everyone has Facebook, ToyotaJeff in Raleigh. See you guys next time. I love y'all. You're awesome. If you're looking for a Toyota in the North Carolina area, please contact me, Jeff Teague at Fred Anderson Toyota.